Klein Tools Electrical Tester Kit includes the 400 amp auto-ranging digital clamp meter, RT210 GFCI Receptacle Tester, and line splitter 10X. The kit allows for easy testing of live circuits and measuring of current and voltage. The kit includes a carrying pouch, test leads, and batteries. The electrical tester kit with 400 amp auto-ranging digital clamp meter. The electrical maintenance kit with GFCI tester and line splitter 10X. The kit allows to test of live circuits and measure voltage. Backlit display for clear readings. It includes a case, test leads, and batteries. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. For more than 160 years, Klein Tools has manufactured premium quality, professional-grade hand tools that deliver the performance, durability, and precision needed to get the job done right. Our family of engineers, workers, and craftsmen continue to put 6 generations of expertise into every tool we create by using only the highest quality materials, superior workmanship, and keeping manufacturing as close to home as we can. Klein isn't just the name of our company. It's also our family name. And since we're an American company that's family-owned and family-run, you know you can count on us to be here tomorrow. Klein Tools doesn't just make great products. We make great products that stand up to the demands of the professionals who use them every day. Since 1857, what makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Measure AC via the clamp, and AC, DC voltage, resistance, and continuity via test leads. Number 2. Detects the most common wiring problems in standard and GFCI receptacles including open ground, reverse polarity, open hot, open neutral, and hot ground reversed. Number 3. Line splitter allows the measuring of current draw up to 15A without splitting the load's power cord. Number 4. CAT 3600 volts. Class 2, double insulation safety rating. Number 5. AC auto-ranging 400 amp digital clamp meter, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.